Babies are cute. They're cuddly, they're lovable, and they poop. Like, a lot. A lot. And while we can laugh about the poop, diaper need is no joke. For thousands of local families, keeping their babies clean and dry can mean making impossible choices between diapers, groceries, rent, and other essentials. That's why First 5 Santa Clara County's Diaper Kit Program helps provide diapers and wipes to more than 5,000 children every year. And now, we're asking you to do something very important. Give a poop about babies. Seriously. Just $25 can help provide a week of diapers for a baby who needs you in our community. And right now, your donation is matched dollar for dollar. So your poop-giving power goes twice as far. And if warm, fuzzy feelings aren't enough, donate $75 or more, and we'll send you an exclusive Baby Potter plush as our way of saying, thanks for caring about your neighbors. Because every baby deserves to be clean, dry, healthy, and happy. Give a poop about babies. Donate today.